Today I'm going to install this electronic ball valve into the recirculating shower system. To do that, I need to do some more PEX plumbing. So I'm taking this opportunity to show you how the PEX plumbing works. The PEX plumbing works using these crimp connectors. There are many ways of attaching and using PEX plumbing. I've chosen this one, these crimp fittings, because they're readily available at local hardware and big box stores. So if I needed to make any type of repairs on the road, I'd be able to get this material pretty much anywhere in the country. So today I need to attach this T to the PEX plumbing and this connection to the T. So I only need a small piece of PEX pipe to connect those two. So to do that, we're going to use this cutter to get ourselves a small piece and nice 90 degrees. And I only need a piece that's about that long. So then this PEX pipe goes over the fitting. Take one of the stainless steel crimp fittings, put it over the PEX pipe, and then we're going to use the crimpers. Now the crimpers will also remove the PEX. These cutters will go all the way together, cutting through the crimp fitting. To change that, you push from the bottom and rotate until number 1 is aligned with this little red dot. Then those do not go all the way together. They're set to crimp. The crimper is a ratcheting crimper, and it will only come apart when the crimp is complete. That's how you know you have a good crimp. So you want to have your fitting about 1/8 of an inch down from the end of the pipe. And that is a good crimp connection. Now I'll put my other one on here, onto that side. And once again, crimp it together. And that's all there is to it. Another thing about this type of crimp, or this type of fitting for the PEX pipe, there are other ways of doing this. There's shark bite fittings, which don't need any tool, but those fittings themselves are rather expensive. There is an expansion fitting where you use an expansion ring and you have to use a tool that goes in the end of the pipe, and it expands the pipe to slide over the fitting. The problem I have with those is in the van, very tight quarters. It may not be possible for me to get my tool over the end of the pipe where it is in the tight quarters of the van. With these fittings, I only have to be able to get to the edge, which will make it much easier to use and a lot less stressful if I'm trying to make a repair or add something while I'm on the road. So hopefully that helps you out. Very simple to use, low cost tools, very flexible. And now I'll go on and install that. If you have a fitting that you need to remove from the PEX piping, it's very easy to do with this crimping tool. Just take and push in on the back and rotate this square piece until the number 2 is directly in line with the red dot. That will allow these cutters to go all the way together cutting through the fitting. And simply put the crimping tool on the fitting and squeeze, and you'll hear a snap. That broke through the fitting, and it will slide right off. Or if it was on a solid pipe, you could just use a pair of pliers to peel the fitting directly off the pipe. And that's it. Then the next thing to do would be to use a utility knife and cut the pipe off, and then you would be able to use your fitting once again. Simple, convenient, and very easy to use.